So Matt got these
4-drawer mobile cabinet and a 4-drawer chest and a 3-drawer workbench.
We got him those for his birthday so that he can organize this mess behind the boxes and hopefully make our garage look a little cleaner, and then he'll have a nice little workbench to tinker around, right?
Yep.
So he's gonna build them.
I am done building it, and now comes the hard part. There it is. All put together. But now I've got to get that mess and that mess and put it all away. Finally finished the project of doing my tool chest and stuff I got for my birthday and organizing. So here is the finished project. So there we go. Much better. I've got a lot more space. Some of this, like that's empty, that bucket, that's empty. There's a lot of space that we can have still for stuff, but it looks a million times better than it did before. So thanks, Chell, for getting me those for my birthday.